We should be live. See who's gonna show up today. Let's see. Sound is good. Yeah, I think the music and the sound is good. Check, check. 1, 2. Can you guys hear me? What am I looking for? Just kind of wait around for some people to come in. As we watch Bitcoin do nothing at all. Let's see. What's up, a Tilk? Tilk in the house. First one in the chat. How you doing, my man? I don't know. We'll see if we get some people to show up today. We had almost 40 yesterday. And no one's here now. I guess people are watching football and all that kind of stuff. Sunday afternoon. Is there anything moving besides virtual? The virtual coins are still running. I see a couple of them are just going. Let me guess. I bet virtual's pumping too. Let's see. Wow, they really did kill just a chill guy. Things going to 0. Oh, it is pumping. Virtual to the moon. This thing just got above the 2618 at 330. Wow, this thing's heading for the top here, huh? About to do a 2x from where it is now. Virtual for the win. What's up, Brian? How you doing? RH, Shadows in the house. Got 12 people in here in 4 minutes. Not too bad, I guess. Yeah, this virtual stuff, to me, it just came out of nowhere, huh? I never even heard of this until the past couple of weeks. Virtual. Yeah, we went over Chill Guy last night. Potentially the bottom is in if it holds, but it ain't holding. This thing's dying. Wow. Why are we still so bearish right now? Uh-oh, Myra's about to break down. We'll move that to right there. Continuation pattern. Myra's about to die. All of them are going. Made 2x today. Nice. Coin I sent you is up 57%. Oh, well, hopefully the Shadow Realm is enjoying the 57% gain. That's just wrong. So somewhere in the Shadow Realm I have a little bit of money, but it's just never, I can never get it. Yeah, how do you connect a wallet to the virtual thing anyway? I went to the website and pushed connect wallet and it just does nothing. What's up, Michael? Can you check DGen? Man, I don't even want to look at DGen. I imagine with everything else pretty much dying right now, it's dying too. There's only a few select coins that aren't dying. It's coming down to our box, so I guess that's why it's there. What are we at? 009. Yeah, it looks like this thing's coming down here. 382 once again. So all we can do is just hold our nose here. We're dropping another 13.5%. And then if that green box does not hold, then it's over. I just want a little bounce, something to get some of my money back. We're still holding up though, but that green box has to hold. It's ridiculous. Nice setup on storage, if you can withstand the market. What's up, living in Central Florida? I haven't seen you in a while. He's back. He's back in the house. Shiba Inu? What is that? Yeah, we haven't looked at storage in a while. Storage in a nice setup. Yeah, it looks like a lot of the things we look at, everything's kind of just curled up here. Unless we're all just fooling ourselves in the bull market. It's not starting until spring and we're going down more. Storage, let's see. Yeah, the bottom is in on this thing. I mean, you're curled up with the higher lows. We're either about to get a nice pump, a nice leg up, or we're about to die. The fact that I mean, just an example on storage. Anywhere you pick on the chart, you're going down, you're making lower highs. You get this little curl up here, and then you die. You get the curl up again, and then you die. You got to curl up here, and then we died. We're curling up again. So, is everything about to just die? All the way back down? Making lower highs again, to curl up, and I don't know. But yeah, storage low to the high. We're sitting right on the 0.5. Need to get over 51 to be bullish again. We're at 49. But the fact that we broke the downtrend, that we broke it with this move up we had, and then we're back down, we really need to come up and make a higher high off of the higher lows. That would be the ideal thing. I don't know, where's storage going? Storage has been around forever, hadn't it? 786 retracement, $1.90, maybe $2 would be a 3.5, almost a 4x on this thing. But not bullish until you get over the 58, 59 level here. Oh, let's see here. End of the year, typical drawback. I heard DGen is fully diluted now. Tax season. Yeah, Shiva. What is Shiba Inu? Is that a meme coin? What are your thoughts on FET? We still like FET. We always look at it. Artificial, super intelligent. Needs to hurry up and do something. I mean, we make the bearish argument, but then the bullish argument's the same thing. I mean, I think we're bullish. Same thing occurred here. You started to curl up and then you just went curling up again. We should start going up. A couple more days to end the year, and then But yeah, she came down and tagged the 786 perfectly here. Made a slightly higher low. It still looks good to me here on FET. Hit the 786, and we're just right at the 382 here. So 130 to be bullish. And then once we get back over this 189, 190 level, that's when we should start going up. Or 246 rather. Make a higher high. Let's see here, but I like FET. FET to the new high, 1272 at 720 is a 5.5x. Next leg up here. If I could, I would. I would buy FET. We got 19 people in here, 16 votes. Good to see. Everyone hit the like button. Let's see. Shiba Inu. Let's see what this is. This thing, not a bad setup here. It looks like it wants to go vertical. Clear double bottom with a higher low. Let's see. Yeah, you're getting stuck right at the 382, but you did make a higher high. I mean, it's just curled up here. Potentially extremely bullish because of the curl up here, and then you're holding right on the 236 at 188 here. So if you hold over that, that should push you through the 382. And hopefully up to the 0.5 to make the higher high, but it could in fact come down more if it wants to make the higher low, but it looks good where it is. So you could drop 28% if you drop below 18.6 here. But if you hold that, 245 is your next, and then it should send you up to 4. Like I said, the way the chart looks, to me at least, it looks like it just wants to go. Possible 2x to the 0.5. How many tokens do you hold for Degen? I don't even know. It's on my wallet on my phone. That's not much. It was just a small bag, and then it pumped up to about $113, and now it died. It's like at $50 now or less. I don't even know. I didn't even look at it today. It was just a small bag to get me started back in the game. I was hoping it would 2 or 3x for me, and then I could rotate that into something else and just keep rotating until I get some money built up. But I bought it and it died. Hope it's the last shakeout. Everyone smash the like button. I appreciate that. We got $4.99, 5 for Central Florida here. I appreciate that. Again, we check Swift and XCM, please. Bearish and bullish. Shiba is a gem. Okay, it looks good here. I appreciate the 5. Yeah, we'll look at those. But yeah, this thing looks good. I didn't even do the... This thing's going to run and go vertical to the new high. Yeah, not bad. A 54x to the 1272 new high. Shiva. Let's see. Swift coin. Yeah, I just did a XCN update on the channel just today, but we'll look at it. Yeah, Swift coin here, like everything else, breaking back down below the trend. It's getting stuck right at the high again, where it got stuck every time it came up here. A little curl up on the bottom there. So we'll just keep it simple on Swift. Low, high. Yeah, you're sitting right on the .5 for support at 6.9. So if you can get back over the trend over the 382 at 895, that's where you're back to being bullish and you're in a good spot back over the trend. But right now it's just getting stuck. And it could easily come back down 618786 here. So we'll see how the market goes, but you could drop 30% back right back down if it can't break through. But overall, higher highs and higher lows, it's still curling up here. And then wherever you want to be bullish on this thing at, but up to the 2, up to 10 cents would give you a 14.5x to a 900 million market cap on Swift here. I can't remember where I looked it up, but I don't remember where people were saying Swift was going to go. People have all kinds of crazy prices. Oh no, we're spinning. I gotta wait a minute. My computer's. Hopefully this thing doesn't crash. Oh, we got 30 people in here. Welcome in, everyone. Everyone in the shadows watching. I appreciate you guys being here. And for everyone that's going to watch this later. Alright, let's see if we can get this to pop up now. Alright, there we go. Yeah, XEN's still in a good spot down here. The fact that we didn't just go. I mean, we're down below the 236 here. Still have plenty of time to get in on XEN if it doesn't move. Which it looked like it moved from when I updated it earlier. So bottom is not confirmed in at the moment on XEN. But we'll do a couple of other things on it real quick. Let me move my computer so it doesn't overheat. Need to make some money so I can buy a new computer before this one dies on me. Low to the high, you're over the 382, so 2.1's your price to hold. As long as we can hold that, the price to beat is 2.6. To confirm the bottom, let's see, we got stuck, high to the low. Yeah, that 618's right there, so we need to get over the 236, 2.5 up to 2.6, and then this thing should push back up. And I would imagine when we get through that point, that's when the next move up would be 150% to 0.059. But yeah, XEN 618 retracement in a bull market's going to get you a 9.5x on this thing. 2 pennies. And then a 786 5.5. It's a 24x. But yeah, XEN's a good one. People say Swift to $1. Yeah. You're buying FET now. That chart looked mad bullish. Yeah, where would $1 put Swift coin? Or how much return can they get you? $1. Yeah, I guess $1 would take you all the way up here to the 3. 180x. Yeah, if Swiftcoin does 180x and hits $1 or $1.25, then we're all going to be rich because everything's going to go to the moon, huh? Because everything, Swiftcoin, everything everyone talks about is going to the moon. People are going to hold to ridiculous prices and just get left holding. Grab a bag of Shiba Inu, you won't regret it. Yeah, there's people thinking XCN is going to go to that to the high or past or to the new high. I definitely wouldn't hold my whole position up there. If I hold anything to the moon, it's just going to have to be a little percentage after I make a lot of money on it. Me personally, I'd take profit probably at a penny and then 2 pennies, and then let the rest ride to see where it hits. But 5 maybe. XCN for 364x. That would be nice, but yeah, I know what you were saying. 26 people in here. How's everyone doing? I appreciate the 5 though, my man. We got 1 toward the goal. Let's see what you guys are saying on the poll. 23 votes, 39% have meme, 30% RWA, 22% AI, and 9% gaming. There was something else moving. What was it? Let me go see. Oh yeah, AGLD I did an update on. Adventure Gold was pumping. Let me see. Oh yeah, of course the virtual coins are pumping. Yeah. Let's see here. Yeah, we had the let's see, what'd you say? Universal Codes, AI hype, and crypto is back in a big way again. We got, I thought that was the same one. We got another super chat for 5 from Living in Central Florida. How's it going? I mean, not you, but Richard. How you doing? I appreciate the 5 again. He says XCN 0.5 maybe, Swift 25 maybe, Shiba Inu 100 million market cap minimum. Where'd you buy Shiba at, on Pancake Swap? If I had $100 to put in it, I probably would. I appreciate the 5. Another one for two, for 2. He says, "Can we look at ETH? When is ETH gonna make a new high? Thank you for all you do. I appreciate you, my man." ETH. I don't know. We rarely look at ETH, but I mean, ETH is just sitting here. It's sitting just right at the 786 support. Oh yeah, we are looking at ETH bullish here because the box that I drew on the chart. This is just like Bonk, or not XCN, Bonk, Arrow, Caspa. Whenever you're getting stuck at a point like this and you're making higher lows, this is extremely bullish here. You could even pull this box all the way back to here. Yeah, ETH is not there yet. It depends on how long it's going to take here, but it just made a higher high from these 2 highs, so that's very bullish. So if we end up holding here on Ethereum, this could tell us we're about to break out of this pattern here. Yeah, we're over the 382. Let's see. Hold on. But yeah, let me fix this real quick. Right under the 786, but right over the 382. So 31.95 is the price to hold. 33.75 is the price to beat, and then 35.20 here. But yeah, ETH looks like it's gearing up to go at some point. Because you guys know we watched a similar pattern on Bonk, and Bonk took forever, and then it finally broke out. So maybe this is going to tell us. I think we went over this last time. I mean, if we break down again, hit the trend, it just kind of bounce around in here. March, and summertime. It all depends. Where do you think Ethereum's going to? I've always thought 10K. So we have the 1414 at 98.70. So maybe it wicks above that and hits 10K, and that's it. Or it could go to 14K. Yeah, let me get back over to the chat. Oh, I can do Shiba on Phantom. Shiba on Phantom. I just need some Solana. So easy to gamble on Phantom. Remember, what, it was a couple months ago? That girl came in here and gave me 2 Solana to gamble with. So easy to gamble, and I just lost it all. Gambled on the wrong stuff. What's up, Boxy? Welcome back. Altcoin says BTC's at 87K. You gotta hit 90K first. I think we're at 93 at the moment. ASM, no, we looked at ASM last night though. My Turbo and Mog are bleeding out. Yeah. ASM, he says. Let's look at ASM real quick. There's a lot of things dying right now, but then there's a select few, like I already said, that are holding up, and some things are pumping. Well, ASM's one of them here. So what do we see here? We're above the 382, so we're back to being bullish here. Are we about to form a head and shoulders right here? Another shoulder, and then we're going down. Could be. But as long as you're above the 382, next stop is a 30% move to 440, or 4 pennies. And then low to the high, let's see. Yeah, you hit the 0.5 and you bounced. What ASM needs to do here is it needs to get up past the 0.5 and hold and make a higher high. It made a slightly higher high, so it needs to get above 4.3 here and hold. If not, like I said, we could have a little small head and shoulders on our hand, and then she's just gonna die. You get the idea. Rough drawing. But if this thing's gonna go and hit $1 billion market cap, 70 cents possible from today, get a 20x. I think anyone would be happy with a 20x. I would. Myro Dunn are still a good coin for. I don't know about Myro at the moment. Shiba gonna make a new high. Yeah, Shiba Inu I think is gonna go to 100 billion market cap. What did we say? ASM we looked at. Turbo and Mog. What's Turbo doing? I'd imagine Turbo's still holding up. Oh no, she's down 4%. Yeah, Turbo's still going sideways, holding over the 1272 at 87. I mean, overall, it does this all the time. It has a pump and then it consolidates, pumps and consolidates. Excuse me. At some point, it'll start moving again. So, you guys think this is conservative? We went over this last night. 40 cents, 26 billion market cap for a 40x. Because from my understanding, people were calling for 50 billion market cap on this thing and plus. Mog, what is Mog doing? Yeah, but all these charts, Turbo, Mog, all these coins are very bullish charts. They're going to be, yeah, when we take off, whenever it's going to be, if we're still curled up like this on Turbo and this one, these things are just going to go vertical out of nowhere. They're going to have God candles spawn in probably when everyone piles into them. This one is 70x to the top, 3015, 58 billion market cap. So if we're going to a 50 billion market cap on these coins, then bought more Turbo. Yeah, and then when Shiba runs, you're gonna have Bone and Leash and all those other coins probably go right along with it. Shiba on Coinbase. Yeah, I'm looking for Shiba to hit the new high here. Around it anyway. 100 billion market cap or so. And from right now, that's about an 8.5x on Shiba. Once we get this again to where she's moving, it'll just keep going. Yeah, I can see Shiba hitting a new high. Hera, her AI, or not AI. That's an AI meme coin. Okay, that's one on Solana. Her IA. We'll look at it just because I want to, and since you sent some super chats. Let's see what this one is. Yeah, if I had some Solana to gamble with, I would be gambling right now. Because I need to make some money. Yeah, this one just came out, huh? 3 million market cap, almost 5,000 holders. Yeah. Not a bad looking one. What did we look at? Yeah, the way the market. I wonder if Solordi's holding up here. What is Solana doing, by the way? So you look at this. Solordi's finally trying to hold the bottom. I don't know. This could be a real good time to get in. Man, I wish I had some Solana. This would be a real good time to get in, because if you just on a chart like this, usually when you see, the bottom here, it doesn't have to come all the way back down there, because you're making this slightly bottom higher low to form your overall trend. bottom could be in for Soul Orty. What's up, Ista? Welcome back. Who let Diddy out of prison? They just dumping me with. Yeah. What's up, Yosef? Welcome back. I don't know what's dumping the market. Bitcoin, I guess, because Bitcoin's going down. Every time you drop a bag, the market drops. Yeah, did y'all get it figured out last night? I like Pepe for the ETH pump coming and whiff on the Solana pullback. Yeah, Pepe and whiff are going to be good plays too. I'm holding 500 million Shiba. I just need all-time highs. It's not bad. You'll probably get it. I really do think Shiba's going to go up there. Yanko says Pepe 2.0. What's up, Dustin? Flux predicted. Yeah, we've looked at Pepe 2 before. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, we looked at this the other day. I actually have a small bag of Pepe 2 that's been sitting on my MetaMask wallet forever. Because I bought the top somewhere. Was that February? No, it wasn't then. I bought the top somewhere and it went down to nothing. It's worth like 10 cents, I think, or something like that. I'd have to go check. But yeah, if Pepe 2 runs, I could potentially get a little bit of money. Because I think I put either 50, 75, or 100. I cannot remember, but it's down to like 10 cents now. It's worth nothing. Maybe I did buy here back in February. Could be. It was January, February of this year. That's when I was in the market. That's why I probably bought up here. Yeah, this thing went down 92%, so I probably bought the exact top. I'm telling you guys, every time I buy something, it just goes down. We see that with Degen. But Pepe 2, high to the low, you're holding the 3-2. Looks like the bottom is being put in here. You're making higher highs. So as long as you can hold here at 244, maybe time to go up. I don't know what this green line is there. We're going to get that off. Let's see here. Pepe 2. What's my little bag of Pepe going to do if it ever goes up? Yeah, maybe that's one of those instances where I wake up. My little bag of Pepe 2 will do a 38x overnight. Flux. I don't know what you mean by flux predicted. Flux to the moon. Let's see what chart we have. Yep, flux is not bullish. Made a higher or lower high. It's down below the 236. Flux to a 786 retracement from today would give you about an 8x to 470. 1.7 billion market cap. Depends on where you think this thing's going to end up, or what people say it's going to end up at. But it's got the structure here. Yeah, I'm bullish on Flux here. The same exact thing going on here, and then we've seen these things pump up, so it looks good. Low, high, you're sitting right on the 618, right on Q. So Flux here had a little baby move out of this, but ultimately it's back in it. So she may be getting ready to spike up 84%, over 6.8 up to 114. But if you think Flux is going to hit 25 bucks and do a 9, almost a 10 billion market cap, you're looking at a 43x. Open custody. Everyone please vote and hit the like button. It's going to help out a lot. We're on the road to 20k subscribers, so if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I really don't like saying all that, but you kind of have to. If you don't say it, you're not a real YouTuber, I guess. Open custody. Yeah, we looked at open custody. I think it was dying too, wasn't it? Open custody. This is the one I sold and put the money into DGen after I sold DGen. Because this one looked promising to me, but then the market just kind of flipped its head. Or rolled over. I mean, it's still curling up, making higher highs and higher lows, but it had a really good looking bullish setup here, and then the pattern it was in, and then it just died. Every time we want to be bullish, the market tells us no, and we're back to being bearish again. So open custody right now, you're sitting on the 618 here perfectly. If I can get this to stick at 9.4, as long as you hold 9.4, that could be it, especially off of the higher low. That should be it for open custody here. That should be the bottom, because if it goes lower, you run the risk of breaking down here big time. So 9.4 is your price. If not, you can see you could technically drop 25% here, 24-25%, and still make a slightly higher low. So just keep that in mind. 9.4 is the big price right now, and then 11, and then 14 here, 1.4. Pin into half to be bullish again, and that'll probably send you up to 2.8 to confirm the macro bottom. Bullish over 8.7, breakout over 53 cents here for confirmation. But this is one of the ones, you know, the reason I got into it, because it looked bullish down there, and just a 0.5 retracement, 147 million market cap. Now from now is about a 24x, 618 retracement up to a 372 million market cap on this thing is a 50, almost a 57x. I don't know what this is, but if it hits a billion market cap, you're looking at a 200x, 207x to a billion market cap, to $1.92, probably $2. So this could be worth a gamble. I mean, it's all the way down here, potentially on its final bottom on the curl up. So yeah, I mean, if open custody could be a good one. Harlem says, what about Doja on Mars? I like Doja on Mars. I'm not gonna say I love it. What's up, Daniel? Elon. If Elon's gonna wait around and run last, I can get this on, what is it called? Crypto.com. But Elon's still down here, down below the 236, doing nothing forever. I think Elon's gonna run real hard. I think when Shiba finally has its run, like its run, I think Doja on Mars is gonna lag a little bit behind it. So maybe able to get into Elon after Shiba starts running real hard. But I think this thing's going to easily do a 30x, 32x here. Or 33x rather, 3.6 billion market cap. And if it goes higher, it goes higher. PNG Army, he says, it was small bag of 1500 in Doja Mars, so that's nice. Yeah, back in um, what was it, January? Yeah, back in January, I had I had 5 grand on Elon, but by the time the pump in March came, I was already out of the market because things happened in life. Man, that's unfortunate because I had it right here, January and February. Then I had to get out of the market, had to take it out, and then it ran a little bit. Man, that's unfortunate. But of course, it's down now. But I don't even think I've ever looked at that. How high did this thing go up in March? Oh, not bad. I would have got about a 2.5x. That would have been nice. uh, Whacking Hut, how's it going? Yeah, I got a nice bag of Mars as well. Hold on. Yeah, coulda, woulda, shoulda, I guess, but Near said, F me, I accumulated some more last night, 1K worth, and it went straight down. You should have waited till after the new year. Yeah, I think that's the plan. I mean, we're not really showing any signs of, besides some of the charts, any signs of going up right now. I mean, the the Bitcoin's not doing anything. The dominance is still up. So as long as that's up, we're still gonna dump probably, or just stay where we are. I almost typed dump. Is there even a coin called dump? Yeah, didn't we look at near last night? Yeah, but I know the feeling. Seems like every time we buy something, we dump. Yeah, near's holding. Let me move this a little bit. Near's right above the point 0.5, making higher lows and higher highs. So maybe you'll get a little move here off of this. Because it just went down to the 618.5, so you need to get back over 566 to be bullish. And then of course 618.236 here, but the next high, 2x coming. 2x coming your way, my man. Just got to be patient. Jeff says Dojalon 002420. What's up, Eldor? Matt says altcoin season. What is that? Further downside seems obvious at this point. Why is it obvious? I mean, we're not doing anything. If you zoom out, we're not doing anything. Of course, Bitcoin's coming down, but we want to look at it here. Simple TA, it's coming down to 90K here. I don't know why that looks like it got moved. I guess it is 90K, 89.9. And then we'll get a bounce at that point, but what am I looking for? Yeah, the dominance is coming down once again, but ultimately we're still holding up. We got happy for a moment here, but ultimately on the monthly candles it's still holding. So we got to wait to get into next year before anything happens. what was moving? Let's see. Is AGLD still moving? Yeah, the overall monthly chart for AGLD looks extremely bullish here. When it 2x's, I'll send you some money. I appreciate the thought. PNG, easily $1 billion market cap. What's up, Ali? What about the Songbird chart? Yeah, we looked at that last night, I believe. But yeah, I mean, just this overall double bottom higher low curl up here. This thing just looks like it wants to go vertical on the macro. SGB. Let's see here. Songbird just made a lower high. And you're down below the 236 here, so this thing's not bullish. It doesn't appear to be at all right now. Let's see. Down below that 382, and then if we pull it even shorter time frame. But we're just gonna stay on the weekly so we can just see. Yeah, you just hit the 618. And you're holding, so that's good. So it does not have to come back down to the trend, at least not right now. So 8.2 is your support. Bullish back over 11.2, and then 11.9, the bottom is back confirmed in, and then bullish over 2.5 pennies there. But you just hit the 618. Could be in here. Last time it pulled away from the trend, it pulled back, and then it went again, made a higher high. But it remains to be seen because you just made the lower high, so got to start curling back up here. So are Songbird and Flare gonna perform good this cycle? Songbird 786 retracement, 3 billion market cap will get you about a 21x, up to 19, probably 20 cents it'll hit. But yeah, I'm still liking PNG and Arc Block exactly where they are. PNG's holding up like a champ here. Simple back test of the 1414, the top of our channel pattern here. That's what I'm saying. If we break down, we're gonna end up just dying because there's a lot of things that, like, we looked at FET, we look at PNG here. It's holding very strong over our levels, 30 to 31. It's holding over high low 382. Oh yeah, PNG's definitely gonna hit $1 billion market cap. That's our low point, almost $5, 1 billion. Pretty much a 15x almost. Yeah, 15.5x on PNG. Is Arc Block holding up? I don't know if we looked at that today or not. Oh yeah, Arc Block looks really good here. We're kind of waiting on Arc Block to hit the 618 here. With my imaginary money, I'll buy in at 135. 135, I'm getting in, and then she's gonna pump. I'm gonna put imaginary 500 bucks in here, and she's gonna do a 2x for me. Let me get caught up on the chat real quick. We'll do great. Render yawn bullish. Oh, I'm getting behind here. He says he's not feeling the price action. How can you not feel the price action, man? We watch this same thing on everything, and everything pumped to the upside. This one hasn't done it yet. It never broke the top here. I mean, we can pull up a number of coins. Spell, XCN. I think we looked at XCN already. I mean, there's so many. This formation here that we're watching on everything. ALGO. I missed ALGO. I really wanted to get in on ALGO. Ugh. Same formation again. Price was getting stuck, and then it's just going sideways, and then she just ran. You guys know, you watch the channel and watch the updates here, how many times I said I wanted to buy ALGO here. It's so unfortunate. She left me. What did I miss? Come on. We got Jonathan for 2. I appreciate that. Next move up for math. I appreciate you, my man. I appreciate the super chat there. How many are we at now? Our goal, we had a goal set for 2 hours last night. I don't know if you guys can see the goal. 20 super chats, and it's usually 3 hours, but it ended last night, and then a whole bunch of super chats came in after it ended. Especially from, yeah, we'll look at math though. Yeah, I can't remember the name from last night. She was coming in here, or he was coming in here. I don't know what it was, or who it was, with all kinds of super chats back to back. Man, it's slipping my mind. It says buy, no taxes on what you buy now, don't sell till October 2025. Alright, let's go look at math before I forget. I appreciate the 2. What is math doing? Where's our math chart? Oh yeah, math is holding up. Holding the new trend it formed after breaking the other trend and getting stuck. So you're below the 382, so the price to beat right now is 28 to be back to being bullish. But as you can clearly see, it is holding this new trend almost perfectly. Well, I guess you could say perfectly. It's not really holding on any level that I see. So you're below the 618, holding up. So this 27 to 28 is the price to beat at the moment. Let me draw one more. No, we can draw a couple. Let me just... We'll go high to the low, and then it looks like 28 up to 30, and then the bottom, that will confirm the bottom is in on that trend. But you can clearly see, I'll draw it in just a moment, but where the price is right now, yeah, I'm trying to see if we're sitting on anything. So we have a double 382, kind of getting squeezed at the moment. But if we simply draw line right where the price is right now, let's make it a little bigger so we can see it, or turn it a different color, whatever. You can clearly see, looking at the past, clear resistance and support at this area. Support, now we're holding that as support. So it was resistance, now it's support. So it's not always based on Fibonacci levels. Yeah, you can even look back here in the past. There's clear support and resistance around this area. And we're holding the trend, so we'll see what happens here. And And the only other thing to say on math is if it holds and gets through the 382 at 28.5 or 32, and then back up to 40, 56% move to try to be bullish again. But if the trend's going to break and you're going to break down, then just be prepared. Anything lower than you are right now, because you're sitting right on it, you're going to drop 22% down to 20. Yes, math. I know it's still on Coinbase, but is it still in the experimental category? Come on. Math to $5, just under $1 billion market cap and 19.5x. I read that. You missed out on ALGO also. SEI is about to explode. What's up, JatB? 2 hours till weekly close. Oh, I didn't even look at that. What's up, D Nice? Welcome back. What's up, Muffin Man? Yeah, is that tomorrow when they're doing the Tether thing? So is that going to dump the market? Are we going to die tomorrow? Or not tomorrow? Or it is tomorrow, you said. Okay. VBA. Yeah, where's T13? Are you in here? So you don't miss the VBA update. Let's see here. Oh, did she break out or what's going on here? Let's see. Let's pull this over a little more. Oh, come on. Yeah, potentially breaking out if it can. If this can wick up and hold over the 0.5. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect here, but we'll see if this is the breakout or not. It's either breaking out or it's getting stuck still. It's one or the other. You're either bullish or you're bearish. Someone pull out their crystal ball and tell me, is this bullish or bearish? I would say as long as you're below the 0.5 at 7.3, then it's a little more bearish than it needs to be. And you're easily going to drop down 17% and possibly all the way back down to the bottom of the triangle here and drop 35%. So you can see it still has plenty of time to chop around in here before it gets squeezed out of here. But I think the 0.5 at 7.3 is the price. And definitely if you get over 8, 9 here, 9 pennies, then you're confirmed breaking out. Well, what is well doing? I think someone said GRT. Well. Yeah, Well's still trying to hold up here. We're still over the 618. We just had a new candle spawn in here. She's trying to hold the bullish pattern. That's what we're watching on Well. The fact that you're making higher lows, lower highs and higher lows, you can see you're starting to form this bullish continuation pattern to the upside on Well. So you're over the 618, you look good here. If you fall below that and you start breaking these lows, then it's over. But this thing to a 4 billion market cap is a $1.31272 potential new high. Give you about a 21x or so, 22x. But clearly the overall chart is bullish, higher highs and higher lows, and potentially in a bullish setup here. If we can only get the market to turn back around. Yeah, I read that. Pepe and Bonk will 10x by summer. 200K Bitcoin by July, sold to 800 before July, SUI to 13 by March, Doge to $1 by April. Sold to 800. Yeah, I think my target's at 700, 7 something. I don't remember what it was. Bitcoin is stuck. Yeah, so there's a good chance we're gonna go down tomorrow with the Tether fiasco. So what is that gonna do to any exchanges that, you know, or any of our charts here that we use, like on, I don't know what exchanges are UK or wherever it is, what exchanges and what charts are going to be affected? Because we look at a lot like here, GRT, Binance, Tether. Is Binance going to get affected? So is this chart going to just disappear? That's going to suck if all my charts disappear. Yeah, GRT is not bullish anymore, just made a lower high. But it did the same thing back here where it made a lower high here and then it just turned around and pumped. So a lower high once again. Same thing, bottom formation, it went up, lower high, and then you can see the same exact things happening on the chart here for GRT. But you're down below the 382, so no longer bullish. So the only thing we'll really do here is see if this thing's going to come back to the trend, or it's going to pump out of here. You can see it's sitting right on, excuse me, the 0.5 support off of that wick. So 19.8 is the price to hold, and maybe you get a bounce up, and then 22 to 24 is the price to beat to be short term, and then back to being macro bullish here. But if it's going to repeat what it's been doing, then you know it could very well hold, and next stop is going to be the 618 new high. So this thing's getting ready to do a 3x up to 62, unless it just completely breaks down. GRT 81 billion market cap possible. That may be incorrect. I may have to redo the GRT chart. 40x. Fat looks like the most bullish chart you pulled up today. What's up, Maddie? He says USDT changes aren't until 2026. But yeah, I agree. I like the Fed chart. And then whatever, you know, whatever's happening in the world, whatever's going to happen is going to happen. There's always some narrative. There's always something every year. It's the same thing. Yeah, Fat looks extremely well. What is Jasmine doing? I don't think we've looked at Jasmine in a little bit. Jasmine's another one I used to own, but not anymore. Let's see, is she still holding up here? Nope. She's breaking down, huh? Potentially, we'll see. But you don't want to end up 20% down on near. What did we say about near? I already forgot. I mean, it's not a bad setup here. You're holding support. You're right on the 0.5. You already came down and hit the 618. You're making higher lows. On the daily here, let me see. Not trying to make you bullish or bearish on this or whatever. You know this ain't financial advice, but low high, you just hit the 618 on the smaller time frame. I don't know if we looked at this last night or not, but if we go down to the daily from the weekly, so you're sitting on the 0.5, you just hit the 618, and hold on. Trying to give you a little bit of hope. You can clearly see if it holds here, that's bullish, a little double bottom with a higher low on the daily. So maybe that tells us it's going to hold up. But I mean, it looks bullish because we're bullish. The same thing happening on near here. It's the same thing that's happening on a lot of charts. And the one that comes to mind, of course, is Fed. See, looks exactly the same. So I can't be bullish on Fed here and not be bullish on near. So I guess I'm bullish on everything. Same exact setup. AKT and Parcel says Da. Shinobi. Bitcoin dominance is rising again. Near's not as bullish as FET. Chart wise, it looks the same. AKT and PRCL, I don't know what that is. I don't know if we've looked at that. AKT. Okay, yeah, I remember this one. Same setup on this one too. Yeah, all the charts look the same right now. You are below the 786 on this one, and come on. You're just below the 0.5. Come on. Yeah, this one's clearly coming down to the 618. I mean, the same thing could happen to near. Let's see. No, it's not the same thing or the same chart or the same coin, but you get the idea. So this one's dropping another 6% to 260 here. And that potentially could be it for a bounce back up. Just curious what this one looks like on the daily before it died. Yeah, see, this one tried to do the same thing and then it just died. But yeah, any lower than that 618 on this one here, then you're probably getting sitting back down 30%, 618, and that previous little trend is going to come into play. Simple back test, but you got to hold. You got to hold through 33% drop. And then this one, potential new high. Let's move this down. Potentially a 5 billion, 6 billion market cap, 8.5x to $24, $25 here. Thank you you said PRCL. PRCL, let's see here. Man, where'd it go? Here by Jasmine in the twos. PRCL. I guess this is it. We don't have a chart for this one. PRCL. I mean, everything. I mean, it looks like everything curled up chart here from the bottom. We go high to the low. We're over the 382, so technically you're bullish. You're making higher highs and higher lows. So 3.2 is your price to hold. 4.5 is your price to beat. Breakout is confirmed over 62. And then we'll just simply go low to the high. That is the wrong thing. And you're just below the 382, so low to the high, you're not bullish anymore. So your last support is the macro 382 to hold. You can clearly see 618236 is all the way down here. So if you fall below both 382s, then there's a good chance this one will drop 38%. So we're either about to be bullish or we're all about to drop 40%. And then we see things like Myro and some other coins just completely dying right now. So maybe they're just front runners for death. But this one, whatever it is, if you think it can hit 370 thereabouts, 1272 new high is a 10x. If it hits $1, take your little 2x and run, your little 3x. Yeah, is there anyone else in here besides a Tilk that's in these virtual coins? These virtual coins are just going. You like AVT chart right now. Saint Ray saving my portfolio. You got out of AOS and AVT. We got Jonathan for 2. I appreciate that. Hope you reach your goal, brother. I appreciate that, my man. I don't even know where we're at. Oh no, we're at 5 already. Hour and 40 minutes left. What's up, J Street? Can you do Stater? Get some Andy on base and Bandit on base. And Benny on base. Probably all good plays. Base coins, virtual coins, all to the moon. And what did you say? Oh yeah, SD. We haven't looked at SD in a minute, I guess. Stater, what is she doing? Oh yeah, this is the Stater chart. It looks like it's doing what it did back here. It just pumped up and it went sideways, and it just kept going sideways and down. But you're below the 382 on SD. Not the prettiest looking chart by any means. God dang it. Why do I keep grabbing that? So I think we do this all the time, is just keep it simple. You're below the 382, so no longer macro bullish, but you're over the shorter low to the high 382. Let me zoom this in so we can see. Yeah, you're just going sideways right now. So it's trying to curl up with higher highs and higher lows here. So I'd keep it simple. As long as you're over 88, 114 is the price to beat, and then 148. Unless this thing's forming a Bart Simpson and it's just about to die. I never really used the Bart Simpson pattern. But yeah, those are your short-term prices to watch. But as long as you're over 7.3, then the bottom is technically in. Come on. The one positive thing though is it made a higher high from back here, so it broke this downtrend, of course, and made a higher high, so that's good. It just needs to get over the 3-2 and get some momentum going. Come on. Let's see. For this thing to come up to a 786 retracement and hit $10, $11, over a 9.5x, 546 million market cap. And then we must have threw this on there for a slightly higher high. $40 on this thing would give you a 2 billion market cap and almost a 39x. Benny's 1.3 million market cap. What's the narrative why the market is dropping so hard? He said Jimmy Carter died. Did he really? Thought he was going to live forever. AVT. Yeah, AVT's going to zero. I don't know if you know that. AVT. Momentum has shifted. She's down below the 0.5, so it did not hold at 247. You're at 243 off of the wick, so it does appear this one's coming down 618, double 618. She's coming down for some double 618 action here, down to 2 to 215, so potentially a 12 to, what is that, about an 18% drop or so. As long as you're below 247 here, you got to get back over 786 and the 236, or the 382 rather, to be bullish once again, 270 to 280. But it looks like this one's coming down. $2 is in play. Or 215 rather. But as long as you hold that and you hold the higher lows to hold the structure, you know, we're either good or we're not. This one to $25, 10x. Yeah, this coughing is getting annoying. Yeah, where's AVT going? Why do we have a target all the way up there? AVT $40 would give you a 16.5x. But it's not bullish right now. LCX Europe's Coinbase, yeah, I've heard that. Let's see, what is the poll doing? We got 24 people left in here. I have no idea what time it is. We got 69 votes, not bad. Still winning is meme. So you guys are holding meme coins. Meme and then RWA. So we got, what did I say, 69 votes. So we should have about 69 likes, huh? Let's see. What did Spa ever do? What is going on with the Spa chart? Spa. I'm just gonna leave it. Yeah, someone said dominance earlier, but yeah, the dominance, we zoom out to the monthly, it's still holding up. I had a little fake out, and then it's holding. Yeah, I'm trying to refresh everything because everything's kind of freezing. All right, there we go. Already got 41 likes. All right, nice to see. Yeah, when we looked at, I think XCX or LCX is still bullish, ain't it? Let's see if she's holding up. Yeah, she's still holding our bull flag pattern. She's trying to hold. So LCX looks good here in this bull flag pattern. We need to get a little relief rally before we die on everything. We need to move up pretty good. That way we can come down pretty good. XRP is the same way. What did you say? XRP's what? Retesting 189. No, she's holding up real good where she is at the moment. Let's see here. What am I on the 4 hour? What's going on here? Come on. Oh, this is annoying. Alright, that's what I'm looking for. Just want to see what the most recent little pullback to the high tells us. We're down below the 3-2. I don't know, we're still holding up here. From that perspective, 192 would be next. But to me, this thing looks bullish still. Strong move up and then just simply consolidating in this pattern here. That's why I say we need to get a spike up already. We need to move up on the market. Come on. Low volume because of Sunday. What's up, Nigel's Critters? Nigel's Critters. Let's see here, Mr. Miggles. Yeah, Miggles is Isn't that the first Coinbase, if I remember correctly? Coinbase's meme coin. She's oversold. Down below the 786 here. I don't know if we got a better chart somewhere. Low to the high, you're down below the 382, but you can clearly see you're holding here. Same spot from back here before it died. So you're holding support where you are. Macro support, if you want to call it that. Yeah, and you could argue wedge, pull flag. But yeah, Mr. Miggles is going to be a good play. Channel, whatever you want to call this here. Yeah, I'm going to have to get a drink because I can't. I'm fighting too hard, fighting the cough. Let me move that. What's up, Slava? Welcome in. He says, don't buy the dip. Market topped already. Andy on base, the third meme from the boys after Pepe and Brett. Yeah, Pepe, Brett, Andy, those are all going to do well. The boys club. What's up, Vlad? Any hope for DJing or going to zero? I don't know. DJing's coming down to our box. Must hold box, or it is going to zero. It just needs to hold on. We'll see what happens at in the beginning of the year. Yeah, you can clearly see this thing's coming down. So it may hold here at the top another 3.5%, or coming all the way back down to 8.0, another 13% drop. But any lower than that, if it goes lower than this box, if it doesn't wick and then get ball back up, this thing could just die. Hopefully not, though. I mean, you're holding higher highs and higher lows on DGen, but you could also argue the steep uptrend was broken and that's it. It's just going down. They're going to follow each other one at a time into the shadow realm. Myro's going to lead the way. Myro's about to lead the way. Oh, come on now. Do I ban you or put you in timeout? What's up, watches? Can we do GFI and Peanut? Cheers, bro. Hope you had a Merry Christmas. It was okay. Man, Danny says Velo about 1,000 times. Slava says just ban him. Let's see here. Oh, yeah. Goodbye. Let's see here. Man, how many times did they do that? Stone Santa, Rip Jimmy Carter. Yeah, that's what I heard. Matthew for two, Hunter by Virtuals. He says, I appreciate the two. Sorry, I had to wade through the spam here. Now I'm way behind on chat because there's just deleted messages all over the place. He's gone. What's up, Joe? He says, why spam? What's up, dog? Yeah, what did someone say? He said Hunter. I guess we'll look at that. Oh, yeah, GFI and Peanut, if I remember. Yeah, where did we look at Hunter at? Did we look at Hunter? I believe we did. Hold on, let me see if it's on deck screen and I'll switch us over there. But yeah, those virtual coins aren't playing around. Oh yeah, we looked at this one last night. Let me pull it up. Whoa. Dang, we didn't just spawn you in a 47% candle. This thing went. Oh my god. Were you the one asking for this thing last night? Because we left this little thing here. Next resistance. Wow. Come on now. This thing just did a 6x. Why? Looks like you're above the resistance. The 1414, 235 is your price to hold. Looks like she's still pumping. 0036 is the next stop. It's unbelievable. Why can't I get this? Yeah, what wallet are you guys using to buy these with? Because I went on the virtual website and it didn't let me. I couldn't even push the button. It wouldn't do anything. Connect wallet. It said sponsored by OKX wallet, so I have to have one of those. It's probably something banned in the US, so man, I can't believe that. Hopefully you're making a killing on this. It's about to do another 6x. Wow. Oh yeah, he said, who said that? Someone said Peanut and GFI. Oh yeah, we did yesterday. He said it's going parabolic. Yep. Matthew's making the money right now. Yeah, I know you gave it to us on a silver platter. Dang. Yeah. That's just unfortunate. I mean, it's good for you. It's good for whoever bought in, but yeah, we looked at Peanut earlier for just a moment. Oh no, we were looking at Chill Guy. Never mind. Chill Guy's the one that they pulled the rug on. Yeah, this one's potentially holding the bottom here. So it has to hold this level here that we have. It has got a little wick already forming, so 58.9 here, or 59 is it. If you take this out, it's done. It's going to come all the way back down potentially to I mean, there's really nothing stopping it from coming all the way back down to here, I guess. So it's either the bottom or it isn't. You have to get over 82 to confirm. Then Peanut, new high, 371, 5.5x. So we'll give you a little smaller one, 73 could confirm bottom. And then GFI, pretty sure I just did a GFI update yesterday or the day before. Let's see here, GFI. Yeah, GFI simple back test. High to the low, you're sitting pretty much over the 382, so pretty much confirms the bottom is in here, and you're holding after the pump up. You got stuck at the 0.5, came back down, you back tested. It's a 156 here. Not going to be perfect, but you can clearly see, depending on where you draw this at, it's either back testing, which it probably is, or it's going to go down even further. But I would guess it's back testing, because nothing's going to be perfect. And then confirmation for the breakout high to the low is over 311. And then, of course, macro bullish over 195 again. And then GFI 786 retracement from where it is now is a 9.5x to a 1 billion market cap. And if this thing's going to come up and hit 50 bucks, 33x to a 4 billion market cap. So those aren't available. What am I missing? Random coins don't always be available in the US. Yeah, I used to buy things. I can buy things on Phantom Wallet, but I used to use Mexi, KuCoin, Lbank, Bitmart, but I'm banned from all of them now. There we go. I was trying to think of your name earlier. Another sunny day. I was trying to think of who came in and saved the stream last night, and he or she's back. Another sunny day for 10. I appreciate that. Crypto Undead, I have issues with buying certain coins because of being in the USA. Can you mention some of the best tokens on Coinbase? Is it easy to use and plenty of volume? Yeah, Coinbase is good. I mean, if you're in the US, that's pretty much the spot to buy. If you want to have, I guess, safe. I wouldn't say totally safe, but want to have your money somewhere safe, because if you buy, I can use Phantom Wallet, but if I use Phantom Wallet, then there's nothing there. You can just send stuff in and out of Phantom Wallet, buy all these different coins, make tons of money, and then there's no regulation. There's no one cares. I appreciate the 10. A lot of the coins we cover on this channel. I don't have my Coinbase app on me at the moment, but GFI, Math, SUKU, all the coins we cover. Arrow, Velodrome. What else is there? And then, of course, all the meme coins they just put on Coinbase. Whiff, Turbo, Mog. So many choices on Coinbase. I appreciate the 10. I appreciate that a lot. But yeah, it's real easy to use. It can't get simpler than Coinbase. I also use crypto.com here, but they have limits on what you can buy and what you can cash out. And Fed is the next coin on silver platter. It says universal codes. A well just jumped 40 grand. Is it a good time to get in on spell token? Yeah, we looked at Jasmine for a brief moment. Swift coin is a gem on Coinbase. Yeah, I forgot about Swift. Yeah, you guys know what's good on Coinbase. Coins won't get traction until after the 20th of January, says Joe. Yeah, Spell's another one. ALGO was one, but we missed ALGO. Why is Spell not popping up? What's happening? Where did our Spell chart go? That's unfortunate. I don't know if we were looking at the... There we go. There's our Spell chart. I mean, yeah, Spell's still down here doing nothing. It's below the 236. It's below the trend. It's not bullish at all. It's making lower highs. There's still time to get in on Spell. You just potentially... I don't know what that green line is. I don't know why we have green line. Oh, that's the 786. That is the larger 618 it just hit. Let me pull this up here. Let me get this off. It's ridiculous. But yes, the good time to buy Spell was back here when we were watching it. Final support, that same pattern, it pumped, pulled back, came all the way back down to the 618. So as long as it's down here sideways, not doing anything, then yeah, I would say it's a good time to buy. What am I looking at? Okay. Let's see, what did I miss? Spell, HBAR, AVAX, file. Jasmine and Honey, I guess. Hollow chain, hot. Alright, let me do Jasmine real quick. Jasmine on the weekly. Jasmine's still potentially trying to hold up here. And clearly see the consolidation in the pattern here. Lower highs and higher lows are in play. So it doesn't have to play out, but we're holding over the 0.5. We're holding this potential structure here. So 3-1's the price to hold, 3-2 or 3-6 the price to beat, and then once you break over 4-4, it's pretty much confirming the breakout, and that should send you over 5 if it's going to break to the upside out of this pattern here. So 3-1 is the price to hold right now. Not looking too bad though. But if we break to the downside, I mean, after the move up and inside that pattern, I mean, that's all positive. So we've seen these things break down though lately. So you're either going to drop 20% or you're going to start moving up 30%, and then that's probably going to confirm you're going to move up 50%. But once you get over 5, then we'll have the nice move up. But it's doing nothing. It simply came down and it's consolidating right now. Jasmine here. But higher highs and it's curled up, so 5 is the big price to beat, and then we'll have the nice spike up here if it doesn't die out of this pattern. 280% move to 12. And then of course Jasmine, I think Jasmine's going to hit $1, 50 billion market cap, 33x. A lot of people are probably going to sell around this 618 30 cents and get their little 9.5x and run. I really think Jasmine's going to $1. I know people don't agree with that. Hot. I think we looked at yeah, we did look at this one. Hot looks like a lot of things we look at, and made a lower high. Little run, and then we're dying again. So you are above the 236, so technically the bottom is in. I would imagine you hit the 786 if I could ever get the right tool. Yeah, 786 bottom, that was the time to buy this thing. So you're over the 236.5, so you do have double support here. Bullish back over 0027. If it holds over 21, 27 is the price, and then you really want to get this thing up here and make a higher high. So if it holds, 57% move to be bullish, and then the 0.5 should be next. Up and over, 137% move, 5.5, and then breakout over 8.3. And then this one, 6x to the 786 retracement to $0.015. And if this one's going to make a higher high, potentially 8 pennies. Not bad. 34.5x from where it is today. And it's one of those charts again. This is what we like to see, you know, just down and sideways forever. So if it's going to be something and have any sort of a decent run, then maybe worth the gamble. Make sure we're good and live here. Honey, I got in honey right before the nice climb. Moonshots, but also early. How can Jasmine go to $1? Cardano is not even $1. The same circulation. It's because Cardano sucks. And I'm allowed to say that because I owned Cardano last cycle. Promised the moon, and it never went to the moon. Yeah, I'm trying to see what coins you're mentioning. Jasmine was a good buy under $0.01. Yeah. The war will hit before Jasmine hits $1. We're gonna see. You guys can all say I was wrong after the bull run if Jasmine doesn't hit $1. I think Jasmine is going to $1 also. Alright, Universal's on my side. Yeah, back down to 18 people. Let's see. 85 votes, 36% meme, and 27%. Oh, we got 31% AI. Hour left on the goal. 13 more. But we're never going to hit it. That's the point. Let's see. What am I missing? We are moonshots. Oh, the early. Okay, I read that. Bandit on base, 158K market cap. Andy. Did we ever look at Bandit on base? We've looked at so many over the months, but a lot of the charts got deleted. Bandit. Bandit on base. Yeah, I don't think we've looked at this one. Yeah, this is another one with the chart where it's just going to continue to go up forever. Yep. There's a tiny little wick there. So this one, oh yeah. I like when I see the respect given. So it came up and smacked right into the 1618 at 314, pulled back. It's now holding the previous high, so that's good. Yeah. Low market cap, get in early. This one's gonna run all the way to the top. 11.5x on this one coming up. Bandit. What coins are you holding at the moment? DGen, that's it. Honey, let's see, honey hive mapper. Oh no, there's DGen. DGen is just laughing at me. This one, let's see. Low to the high, came down, hit the 786, held the 618, back above the 0.5. So next stop, as long as you're holding over 8.3, is 9.5 at the 3.2, and then you're back to being bullish here. Back to being bullish, and then that'll probably send you right over the 10-cent mark. 236 and confirm the bottom is in again. Higher highs, it's curled up here. Hit that final support, so it looks good here. And then bullish over 15. But if it's going to continue what it's doing here, it needs to come up and make a higher high, so the next stop is a 70% move. And then this one, not bad, 1.5 billion market cap to the 786 at 50 cents. There's a little over 5.5x on this thing. I guess it's the highest target we got, huh? Oh, this is a Coinbase chart, that's why. 10x to $1. But yeah, just another chart that hasn't done anything yet. Waiting around for the bull run. What's up, Cha? Welcome back. Great time to get it. INJ are in on Bandit. What did I do? Yeah, that's what I'm hoping too. That DGen's gonna just pump real hard. It just needs to do it already. I don't know, you guys like me. I'm tired of being poor. Not really tired of being poor. I'm tired of not having any skin in the game, if you will. Yeah, we just looked at it earlier. It's still coming down. But yeah, I bought DGen here. Wait, where's the 3-day candles? Yeah, I bought it right on this green candle because we were holding and I thought we were about to start going up out of our little bull flag pattern breakout. And then as soon as I put my little peanut bag in here, it died. But yeah, it was kind of like a test I think we did. I told you guys I'm going to buy DGen and it's going to die when we were so bullish on it. But yeah, there's so many good plays on base and everywhere, but base, Benny on base. $1 million market cap. I guess this is the right one. Not a bad looking chart. Let's see here. High to the low on Benny. Yeah, it's down below the 382, but you're still pretty much holding this area you've been holding. Not going to be perfect unless it's holding another level. Yeah, double 382. So 11, but yeah, if this is the one you're talking about. Oh, is that the turbo we're looking at? Is it going up? Yeah, this one to a new high, 18x, 18.5x. Or no, 17.5. My brain's not working. Yeah, I think we looked at ski nut and turbo. Turbo. Yeah, we looked at this one before. Yeah, I'm getting little bounces on stuff. Anyway. How long have we been on here? Let's see. Oh, we've already been on 2 hours. Let's see here. Yeah, that Benny one, that it looks good. What did I say? Oh yeah. All right, let me get caught up on the chat. Benny on base. Oh yeah, I read that. What's good? What's up, Mispa? Ready for next year's crypto. Happy New Year. Same to you. Bram says still thousands of viewers. Viewers, great content. I appreciate that. Matthew says, get you Coinbase wallet activated if you can. Yeah, Coinbase wallet activated. But what happened last time was we sent the Ethereum on base to a regular Ethereum network, and it just went to the shadow realm. It's gone. Neurobro and Data Port Navigator on base, both low market cap by Virtuals AI. I need to move as soon as I can. Yeah. Neurobro and Dataport Navigator. Where do they come up with these names at? Let's see. Let's see here. I don't even know if I know how to spell it. Did I say Neurobro? Neurobro by Virtues. Yeah, all these coins by Virtuals. I don't think there's a bad pick. I mean, there's really nothing to say about it here. It's bullish as it can be. Bullish and holding. Yeah, if we do it there, you're sitting right on the 2618. Next stop is the top. Once it wakes up from where it is, just gonna do another potential 4.5x to 7-8 pennies. But yeah, base and virtuals, it's just pick it and let it run. Data port and navigator. All right. Oh, come on. Oh, there it is. Yep. Yeah, we need to find these things, or hopefully you guys are finding them right here where they're just going sideways before they run. They're still going to run though. Yeah, this one looks like your support is 3.6 and then to the moon. 6.2 is the price to beat, and then this one will be at the top of the fib before you know it. 33x. Alright, let me get caught up on the chat. Let's see what we got. That's where you've been finding those coins. You must be making a killing then. Let's see here. Did I cover all the super chats? Yeah, I did. $49 left. We got 93 votes. Meme and AI are winning. Alright, everyone hit the like button. We should have 93 likes. 93 votes, 93 likes. I'm trying to get this caught up. It's freezing again. Refresh. Come on, we don't want to see an ad. Oh, we got 51 likes. Okay, good job. Alright, let me finally go get my coffee. What are we looking at? Oh, we're looking at DJ in here. 23 people. Yeah, I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. Hit the like button. Subscribe if you are not. We will be back. We'll look at some more meme coins and stuff. But I will be right back. All right, we're back. Did we lose anyone? All right, what did I miss? Ventus is a good coin exchange. Degen and Bonk. Yeah, I guess we're just... Yeah, what is Bonk doing? Bonk. Oh yeah, Bonk's coming down. Man, Bonk's been bearish for over a month. 2 months, huh? 1.5 months, jeez. So is Bonk gonna hit a 27 billion market cap or a 50 billion like they say? Brett's trying to hold on, but it's below the 618. Looks just like the degen chart. It's just dying right now. Yeah, so someone said TA on Bitcoin. Yeah, that's what we did here, pretty much. So, looks like we're coming down to 90K, I guess. He says, I love your content. You barely hear you. You can't hear me? I mumble a lot. Yeah, I've been told that before. I mumble. I'll try to get better at it. Popcat. Yeah, Bonk's still coming down. Yeah, you guys having trouble hearing me right now? Is the music too loud or something? Or am I just too quiet? Still got 26 people in here. That's good to see. What did we not look at? What is Vara doing? Is Vara still going down? Oh yeah, Viot. I forgot about Viot. Yeah, Vara's not looking good. It's below the 618, and next support is 18. But that looks like where it's coming to. So Vara here has to hold if it hits this. But it is holding support level. You can clearly see all the support back here. We're right at that level once again. So she is trying. Yeah, if it's not a base or a virtual coin, it's just bearish right now. No way around it. Can you imagine if that's the only way people make money this cycle? Is that the new coins they're launching, the new meme coins and the new whatever coins, and then there's just not enough for everything else to go up. Gotta buy early and sell. Yeah, Turbo. Someone asked for Turbo earlier. Turbo's still holding up over the 1272 at 87. Just going sideways, doing nothing. I think Turbo's good for 40x. Where'd our Luna Classic chart go? Oh, there it is. It's just lagging. Wait, that's not our chart. Where did our chart go? That's unfortunate, because now I don't know what we were looking at Luna Classic on. I'll figure it out later. You can hear, okay. What's going on? Sup, Crypto Homes, welcome back. You're good, Goat. I appreciate that. Yeah, I guess another stream ran its course, huh? We'll wait 30 minutes, I guess. We got 30 minutes left on the goal. Yeah, nothing to say on Turbo. What is Fog doing? Let's get to the 3-day. Yeah, I think we're just gonna have to wait till the new year rolls in and see what January brings. Fart coin still overall bullish. Whatever happened to GFoul? Games for a living. Oh, this thing's just been going down forever now. Oh, it made a new low since we looked at it last. H bar. Oh, H bars. I guess it's just back testing. H bar's still bullish here. A little falling wedge, pumped, got stuck right at the 786, and now a little back test. She's coming down. Dogecoin. Where's our Dogecoin? Yeah, Dogecoin isn't doing anything either. Dragon Chain's getting stuck. Drift is doing nothing. Oh, Drift is still in our... Drift is still in our large bull flag pattern. He found another play, he says. Everything is on sale. Yep. Oh, come on. I guess let's go run through. What are some of the old coins we used to look at doing? If this is gonna not crash the computer. Honk on Solana. Did they really do a community takeover? Yeah, Hong Kong Solana hasn't done anything yet. At some point, the Solana coins will run again. I hate when I pull up that one. It's acting slow. Come on. Did used car ever recover? No, it's just sitting down below the final support level. Salama. Yeah, Salama hasn't done anything either. Still holding the bottom. We'll just go back over here. It's acting a little too slow. Everything's fine on my end. A little hard to hear you lately. Could be where I'm at. New location. Walls are paper thin. Veracity, what is Veracity doing? Veracity's dying. Still curling up. It looks like it's trying to come back down to the trend here. Let's see. Down below the 236, the bottom's not in anymore. 618 is coming up. You're below the 0.5. So 3.6 looks like your support. Any lower than that, then at some point it could come all the way down to the trend to the 786. So a 10% drop, and then potentially, if I can get this to move, about a 26, 27, 28% drop there. If it's going to come all the way down. Depends on how bearish we're going to be here. Veracity, 786 retracement for a 10x to 4 pennies. Uh, 2 pennies would be a 5.5x. Don't remember the last time we looked at SYN. Oh yeah, it's been a while. Same thing though, looks like everything else. This chart is old as hell. But same thing, it's curled up. It's either curled up and we're about to go up, or we're curled in this downwards move, bear flag, and we're about to go lower. Check out Gunner. Is that on here or the other place? Gunner by Virtuals. Is it another one going to the moon? Gunner. Man, they're just coming up with everything, huh? Yeah, this one just hit the bottom and curled up. Double bottom. And she's moving. Coming up on resistance at 18.5. Bullish over 14. So if it can blow through the 0.5, 23 is next at the 618 on this one. But this one's just going low market cap, 8,000 holders. People are just making money. If I can grab it. But yeah, this one to a new high has a 4x. Up to 307. But it looks bullish right now. I bet there's not one virtual coin that's going to zero. That's not bullish. Yeah. What's up, G? No, we didn't look at SEI Prime or Carrot. I guess we'll go run through those real quick. Still got 20 minutes left on the thing. We'll probably end in 20 minutes when that's over with. SEI, excuse me. Last time I looked at SEI, she was holding up. Yeah, SEI looks good here. It's still holding the trend, still holding the 382. We should get a nice bounce out of this for something like this. Let's see if we can hold the 786 here on SEI. So if it holds up here, this thing's about to do a 2x. 92% move up to about 80. SEI doesn't look bad here at all. Carrot, what is Carrot doing? Carrot. Oh no, Carrot's dying. She's down below the 236. Let's see what support she's gonna hold. Yeah, Carrot looks like it's coming down to the final support. So if you're looking to get in on Carrot, as long as you're below 618.236 here, it does appear this thing's going to drop another 10.5, 11% to 31, and that should be it. Could wick below it, so just be aware of that. But you have to get back over 3.7 to put the bottom back in. And then this one, billion, 2 billion market cap is a 30x to 10, 11 bucks. But she's coming back down to the bottom, it looks like. Prime. Prime, same chart as everything else. It's just kind of curling up here. Higher highs and higher lows. It's back above the 0.5 at 1150. Price to beat now is a 618. So it looks like it should come up and make a higher high. So this thing may be gunning for the 786 at $19. About a 60% move in play right now. Yeah, you held the 382 low to the high. So bullish over 1024 here at 1224. So there's a very good chance this thing's about to move up for the higher high here. Curled up so we can go vertical. Yeah, There's some people thinking we're gonna go and top out before springtime. Next couple of months, the top's gonna be put in. I don't think that. So this one, potential 281, 14 billion market cap is a 23x, and then prime to about a dollar or 170 would be an 8.7 billion, 14x. But first, got to get this thing to the new high at about 46. Over 3.5x on it. GE for 5. I appreciate that, my man. I appreciate that a lot. It's awesome. Happy Cat. Are you just bullish on these coins? What is Happy Cat? Do you think FET is ready to go? I mean, everything looks like it's ready to go, but we're not going. Like I said last night, like I say all the time, I mean, FET here, it held support. It still made the slightly higher low. I mean, it looks extremely good here. It looks like it's ready to run up and make another higher high. If I could buy it, I would. But I'll buy it and it'll pull a degen and die. So I won't buy it, so you guys can make money. Echelon on the hot list, OG. I'm just seeing if Happy Cat's here. Oh, Happy Cat is here. Have we looked at this? I have something on here. Well, that's Hoppy. I don't think we've ever heard of Happy Cat. Oh, this thing must have just came out. Different prices all over the place. Happy Cat on Ethereum, little dancing cat. Yeah, I mean, it made higher lows, but lower high also, so 80k market cap, only 300 holders, 19k liquidity. Did anything else move? Look at this, we got a sea of red again. We're just not bullish yet at all. Render, no, we didn't look at render yet. I like render. Are you scared to buy these coins then? You prefer not to buy crypto? No, I would buy. I don't have the money to buy. Some of you guys may not believe me, but I am broke as I've ever been in my life right now. I was good in the market in January, February, but life happens, and then it happens again and again and again. I'll get back in at some point. Right now, I got no money and bigger things to worry about in life. Trying to get my whole life back together at the moment. Render. Yeah, Render's doing the same thing as everything else, just simply pulling back after the little run it had. Lower high. But it could simply be pulling what the rest of the market is doing, like everything we look at, where it's going to come back down, hold the higher lows, look bullish, and just go. But you're below the 382, so you got to get back over 743 to be bullish, and your support to hold is 641. Could very well come down now that you're below the 382, 618. So you could still drop 20% on this one. But yeah, Render is going to perform well this cycle. Whenever these things start going, they're going to go. Render will be one of them. Render for 5x to 37, 19 billion market cap, and then 11x to 75 bucks. Where's Render going? 100 bucks? I don't think I've ever looked into it. What's up, Isaac? SUKU. What is SUKU doing? Are there any new Coinbase coins like SUKU, Math, low market cap ones that people are talking about now? Because I remember when these came on, and then Arrow. Yeah, this one looks like it's coming down probably to a 618 final support level potentially. Yeah, you're sitting right on the 618. So 7-1 SUKU needs to hold. Could very well be it, but then it could come back down. But it's holding the curl up here. But it could still easily drop 18% to 5, 9, or 6 rather. But it is holding support at 618. That's what you want to see, low to the high. It's stuck at the trend, stuck at the 382, so the big price. Can't be bullish at all on this thing until it gets over 14.5 here. Back over the trend and back over the 382 there. But SUKU's not bad. 786 retracement up to about 70 cents would be a 9.5x. And then maybe SUKU's going to come up here and hit $2. Do a 28x. Alright, how much time we got left? 10 minutes. How long have we been streaming for? Oh, that's 3 hours. Not bad, 3-hour stream. Not as much people as we had yesterday. Super, what is Super doing? Yeah, Super's holding up. Nice little uptrend, holding the 236, so it looks good here. As long as you hold this 147 area, you're at 146.8. And you could drop technically about 23% or so. I don't have it completely accurate. But 113, you're still bullish. But it is holding up here, it is curled up. If it holds, then of course 194 is the price to beat, and then it'll take a shot at the high again and potentially do a 3x. And then new high, 6.8 billion market cap for a 10x to $15 on Superverse. Super. Bro, when you build your cash position back up, I hope you fly to the moon. I hope so too. Appreciate the words. Well, the start of it is going to be degen. I need degen to turn around already. But it's getting at that point. It's coming down to our green box of support. We're going to see if this thing's going to hold. But in reality, we could come down here and go sideways on it and hold it for weeks on end. That would suck if we just come down here and just kind of die and go sideways for another month. All right, let me end this poll. Let's see what the poll says. 104 votes, 37% meme, 32% AI, and 26% RWA, and only 6% for gaming. All in on degen. All in on degen. Yeah, my opinion is this 3-2 in this box has to be the bottom. So if you're waiting to get in on degen, this is it. If it doesn't, then it's just gonna die. Myro, are we holding up still? Or are we dying? Oh, Myro's still holding up. Myro refuses to die here. I don't know about you guys, but this looks like clear as day as just death. Down, continuation, downwards, triangle pattern. Unless you get back over 7. Alright, got 5 minutes left. So 5 minutes left. You guys hit the like button, share, subscribe, spam the little hearts, whatever you got to do, help out the algorithm. We are well on our way to 11K and then off to 20K at some point. But we blew through 10K subscribers. And we've been here pretty much every day. I can't remember the last day we missed a live stream, but we're here every day. 2 or 3 hour live stream all the time. What's up, Black Ribbon? Should we wait to buy anything? I don't know. I can't answer that. But I don't know. We're gonna have to wait to see what the end of the year brings and what January brings. But there's a lot of things on bottoms. There's a lot of things in bullish setups and patterns that we're seeing that we've been covering all day. Some things don't look great, but then some things are holding up well and they look like they just want to start going vertical. Which that reminds me of how's Arrow. Arrow's coming down. Arrow, let's see. I mean, overall, the Arrow chart looks good here. I mean, you're just holding. You're holding structure. Low to the high here. You're still above the 618 at 141. Needs to get back over 154. Yeah, I just wanted to look. Velo. But don't get me wrong, we're not bullish right now. Maybe macro chart wise bullish on a lot of things, but look at this. We've been just going sideways on everything, doing nothing forever. Alright, I guess we're going to end it there. The goal is about to expire. We've covered a lot. 3 hours in. Let you guys hit the like button on the way out. Let you guys say your goodbyes to your favorite coins that are dying. Say your prayers. Let's see what's going to happen. Yeah, Bitcoin's just still dying here too. So the momentum is clearly down. Nothing else to say. Looks like Bitcoin's going to come down and hit 90K. Unless we get a bounce very soon. This is a 3-day candle. As you can clearly see, there's some sort of a little trend holding here. So this is either it or 90K is in play. If you can see that. I guess we'll just end it here on the Bitcoin chart. Yeah, a lot of things right now still could pull back. Alright, so we're done with Deck Screener. Let me get that out of the way. But I appreciate all you guys coming in here. Appreciate the support, the super chats, you guys coming in here and hanging out every day. We'll be happy someday when this thing finally turns around and we start making money, when I get back in the market and you guys are good. Just these days, you know, like we've been doing for the last couple of weeks, it's just been nothing. Unless you're gambling, you're not making anything. But we'll get there. Alright, I appreciate you guys. Appreciate everything you guys bring along. Have a great rest of your night. Go check out the other videos on the channel. Subscribe if you haven't. Hit the like button on your way out. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. We'll see what time we... Just look out on the channel for... And hit the notification on the live stream whenever I put it up. Because I usually put it up, you know, a couple, 2, 3, or 4 hours before I'm going to live stream. So with that being said, none of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching, everyone. Good luck. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.